Hello, and how are you doing, guys? In a new video today we have the Game Boy Micro that I own, but it fell off, and this is what happened. Yep, we got a broken screen. That's what happened. It fell off and the screen broke. So today what we're going to do is fix the screen. I just got a replacement and we're going to try to fix it. كما كتشوفوا اخوت اليوم عندنا واحد البروبليم في لا جيم بوي ميكرو ديالي. ترست ليا ليكرون وخاصنا نصوبوها كما كتشوفوا. خاصنا نصوبوها. ايوا دبرنا على واحد ليكرون مع LCD ديالها. ها هي. غادي نبدلو هذيك ال LCD بهاد ال LCD. alright خليكم على الفيديو، خليكم على الانترو وندوزو الفيديو. Description, or I can leave a link here on the video. So what we're going to use is the three wing right here. We're gonna use this one, and we need a Phillips. We're going to use this one. Those are the two we're going to use for now. Let's try them and begin. Okay, Phillips head, let's take the battery off. Be really careful to work on something stable because the screws of this micro they are very small. إذا بغيتي تحل هاد الميكرو هادي حاول تخدم فشي بلاصة نقية وشي بلاصة اللي تكون بحال هكدا على طبيلة ولا على شي حاجة باش ميتودرش لك الماتيريال. I did put this one here so it get pushed so it doesn't play around. Let's put those here. And first thing first, we're going to take the battery off. Okay, we took the battery off. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws we need to take off. What I did also is I put this as a diagram. So I'm going to put the screws where they belong on the diagram. And just press them and put a hole on the paper, like so. And here's my screw, so that way I remember where's my screw. It's right here. Just trying to make it look like this one. So that way we know where's the screw is going to go back. كما كتشوفوا هنا درت واحد الدياغرام ديال لا ميكرو وغادي نحاول نخلي لي فيس بحال ما هكدايا باش نعقل كل واحد فين كيمشي، لحقاش عندها بزاف ديال لي فيس اللي ديفيرون كل واحد كيفاش داير. Let's keep going. We have those three wings right here. Let me choke those off. They look like they are a little bit stripped. See right here and right here. Let me try to open them. Okay, there we go. We got them. One on the top right here. I don't want to use the automatic. Some people they're gonna ask me why don't you use automatic. No, don't use automatic on small stuff. On very small screwdriver, especially this micro, don't use it. الناس غادي يقولوا علاش ما درتش اوتوماتيك تورنوفيس. ما ديرش اوتوماتيك تورنوفيس في هاد البلايص هادو الصغار، واكثرية هاد لي تورنوفيس الصغار، هاد لي فيس اللي تيكونوا صغار بزاف، لحقاش غادي تخرج على الفيس في سنينات صغيورين غادي تخرج عليه. There we go, we're coming along. Okay, I believe it's open now. Oh, I forget. There is still 1, 2, 3, 4 on the edges. And our three wings. Let's open those first. So 1. Those are all the same, so we don't need to mark them. So what we're going to do, we're going to put it on the edge right here. Alright, that's all 4, we remember them. Let's take this one off. This plate. Take this one off. And now we are right here. I see one screw right here. Try to take that one off. And that's a Phillips head. Let's remember to swap your heads and make sure to have the correct one on the correct time, so that way you don't strip the screw. تفكروا الدراري اللي كنتو كتحلوا عقلوا على كل واحد على لي دو تورنوفيس اللي عندكم. راه عندكم واحد فيه 3 ديال السنينات وواحد فيه 4 ديال السنينات. 4 ديال السنينات هو اللي تنقولوا اللي حنا امريكان، و3 ديال السنينات راه ديفيرون تيكونوا فيه غير 3 بحال هذا. شفتوا هذا فيه 3 ما فيهش 4، هذا راه ماشي امريكان، هذا راه فيه 3 راه معروف عند نينتندو. Alright, let's try to take this one off. Just nice and gentle. Let's make sure that we're not missing. Okay, there is another one. See, don't force anything until you make sure that you opened everything. Like you see, we almost did a mistake now and stripped this little tiny screw that was right over here. Alright, there we go. That's how our plan works. And like you see, there is no water damage on this micro. That's a good sign, because it was working. I bought it working and everything, but it just dropped and the screen LCD got broken. Like this one is holding on something. I'm trying to. Okay, here we go. There we go. You just jiggle it a little bit here and there, and you take this one off. Let's put it right here on the side. And this is our Game Boy Micro now. Let's take those shoulders because they have a lot of springs. We don't want the springs to fly somewhere. This is the right, this is the left, and this is the right. Okay, let's put those on the side. And now we have the motherboard right here. We're going to try, let's take this power button right here. Okay, we get the faceplate that fall off. That's good, because we're gonna take it sometimes. Okay, trying to move it nicely and gently. Okay, here is the power button. That's how it goes, like this. Put it on the side. Alright, and we have 2 buttons left, which is start and select right here. 2 buttons, start and select. Let's put them right here on the side. Here's our motherboard, and here's the screen. And this is where it broke. If you can see it, a little bit light right here. Okay, now we need to try to take this plastic holder away so we can go to the screen itself. Or actually we don't need to take anything off. We can work on it like this, because the screen is holding with two ribbons, one in here and one in here, the same as the replacement. So that's what we're going to do. وكما كتشوفوا الخوت راه هاد ليكرون هذا مشدودة بجوج ديال الكابليات. The screen is gone. Let's put the new one on. Tiny one. You just open this door from this side to this side like this, and you stick the ribbon inside the same way as we did this one. Now this one is a little bit small, you need to look very close. Okay, that's it for that. And now we're going to see, like, this screen is folded, the old one, see how it folds? That's what we're gonna do with this one. We're gonna fold it on itself the same as that one, just like this, and put it here. That's how it was, folded this way. Just be careful, don't fold it very hard, so that way you don't break it. Just like this, like you're gonna sandwich it. Alright, now اوكي باش لقيت البروبليم هو ان ستارت ان سيلكت خاصك ديرهم هنا قبل ما ديرهم هنا، ما ديرهمش هنا، ديرهم هنا باش خشي هادي هنا. See, that's the problem. Select and start buttons, don't put them in this shell. Put them on this place first, then put them in the shell. Like you see right here, they need to go right here and right here. You need to rest them right here, and you can hear them clicking. Now it's good. And now you can put this one right. And remember this ribbon right here also, let it rest correctly right here. The big ribbon is right here, and the small ribbon right here. Let them rest correctly. And what I mean about correctly, just when you feel that they are comfortable sitting here like this. When you sandwich it, let them sit correctly and comfortably. Push this one a little bit inside, this one a little bit inside, so you don't cut them or smush them with this metal board right here. And now, since we put the start and select buttons, we can put back the shield right here. Be really careful to not scratch your screen. And there we go. Now they're clicking and everything is on place. Perfect. Alright, let's now go back and put all the screws together to hold the motherboard in here. Like, see, I didn't take this one off. This one that holds this plate right here, you don't need to take it off. Just leave it in there. I'm gonna clean those teeth a little bit with alcohol, with isopropyl alcohol 91 and a Q-tip, and put the screws together, the ones that we got from here. Alright, I'm gonna fast forward this place right here. See it right here and right here, those two shoulders, they have little bumps that they need to go inside this gray cover right here. And make sure that your power button is clicking. and also it's inside the motherboard button. فوالا كلشي مسدود كلشي خدام. دابا نجربوها. Alright, we fixed everything. Let's try it now and see if the screen is working like it's supposed to. Oh, I heard something. Put this battery in. Put it this way. Change the heads again. And put the last screw. Try to not lose it. Okay. Nice and tight. And there we go. There's our micro. Alright, let's try the screen now. نجربوا l'écran d'abord. There we go. Nothing is broken anymore. Alright, let's clean the screen from all this fingerprints and debris, and clean this D-pad and buttons with a little bit of alcohol, and put the new faceplate instead of this one, and that's it. Oh, I forget to the battery. Do you hear how the battery is like not tight inside? It's like it's playing, so that's why I had this one. I didn't like that. See how the battery is, if you jiggle this way. So I had this piece of paper right here, and I put it right here, or right here on the side. So when this one is in, it push it inside like this. It said Nintendo in here, and it said some stuff right here in the corner. Look like it's real, but I'm not sure if it's real. I got it just from China, but it looks very clean. There's a little bit of residue in here. Okay, there we go, guys. Finally, The whole thing was pretty easy to change. It's not very hard. You need just to know what you're doing. The hardest thing, I believe, to me, was to clean this screen, and I still see some fog inside and I don't like it. But anyways, let's try it and see how it works. Nice and sweet. Let's put a game. Like you see, guys, is working perfectly. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you need anything or you need help on something. And I guess with this gold and beautiful gold plate, it look very pretty. Right. وهكذا نكون سالين الفيديو ديالنا الخوت. نتمنى يكون الفيديو عجبكم. ما تنساوش التعاليق ديالكم لتحت، وإلا احتاجيتوا شي حاجه قولوها ليا. وبسلامه، نشوفكم الفيديو الجاي.